In this world, there are so many marvelous things are available. One of the most beautiful marvelous thing is our human brain. It can learn anything for us and it can remember the data or messages in our entire life. But only thing we have to provide correct answer or appropriate reason for the brain why I am learning. If our answer is correct and our brain is accepting that, then we can easily learn anything at any of our age. For example, I am going to teach about Docker today. But before teaching Docker, I am going to Naukri.com. Why the reason why I have to learn? I want to give the reason to my brain. This is the reason I want to learn Docker. I am giving the keyword Docker and search the file in the Naukri.com website. See, is there any job is available? Yes, there are 4,650 Docker jobs are available in Naukri.com. So, Docker is the most trending software. See, there are many companies are taking new recruitment for Docker profile professionals. So IBM also taking Docker professionals. So if you are seeking any website, there are plenty of openings for Docker professionals. So this is the reason I have to learn for Docker in my life, in my career. Or even if we are not interested to get a new job, we can learn Docker to update our profile. Docker is very interesting technology we can learn. And also it will be giving satisfaction to our career growth also. So today I am going to teach Docker in this lesson. There is a psychological thing in our life cycle. Up to the age of 7, we will ask the question what. After 7, we will not ask the question what. After that, we will be seeking why and how. Before going why and how, I have already answered why. Now I am going to answer what. The Docker is available in the cloud technology. Nowadays, every software enterprises companies are having cloud technology. Somewhat they are using cloud technology. I am not going to teach about cloud technology, but there is a base of software development of Docker. Because Docker file can be stored anywhere in the world, anywhere in the globe, anywhere in our organization. So Docker files or Docker images are having cloud computing storage. So it can be stored anywhere and it can be pulled from anywhere. So this is the Docker globe. I am saying that now next step I have to pull the Docker file from the globe to my local host or to my infrastructure. How I can pull it? This is called Docker Hub, where the Docker files or Docker images are stored. Now the second step, I have to pull the Docker file from the globe, from the Docker Hub. How I can do it? There is a simple command called Docker pull. If we are giving the command Docker pull, then the image is downloaded to our network, to our local host, to our laptop or desktop. This is called Docker image. This Docker image cannot do anything itself because it is like a statue. We cannot, it is already molded. So with the molded image, we cannot do anything. However, we can use it for our future reference. How we can use it? There is another command called Docker run. If we are using the command Docker run, the image will be changed as we like. For example, I want to change this image as a astronaut. So This astronet, now using the Docker run, I can change the image to a astronet. This astronet is called Docker container. This Docker container is running image of Docker image. So with this Docker container, I can do anything. I can run any images from the Docker hub. I can run as a container. This is the basic concept of Docker. So Docker is the file which is in the Docker hub. We can download the Docker file or Docker image using the command docker pull. From the Docker images, we can do the run command and we can bring the Docker container as a working image for us.